not receiving notification from apps. Let me show you how to fix this. So if you have an app on your phone that you maybe used to receive notification, or you just have an app and you're not getting any notifications, then you want to follow these steps to actually fix it. So you want to find settings on your phone and open it, right? And you want to look for where it shows notifications in the settings option and click on that. At the top, normally you'll find app notifications. You want to open that. And this is where you can either scroll down and look for the app, or you can use the search on the upper right, tap on that, and you can type the app. So let's say I wanted to type in calendar, for example. I can start to type it, and as you can see right there, it start to show it, and I can find it, and I can just toggle it on like that. As I said, you can either scroll through the list and find it. What you'll do, you'll find the application within the list here, and you can basically quickly turn on those notifications if you used to receive notification, but you no longer get them. So you can either click on it and turn them on like that, or you just scroll through, and on the right hand side, you will find the option to turn on notification. So let's say I wanted to receive notification from the Eurowings app. I can toggle it on from here. And as you can see, it is there. And so that's it, guys. This is how you can easily go ahead, fix notification not receiving from your apps on Android. Very easy and very simple.